Hey everybody, I just wanted to go over how to make invites using canva.com. It's so easy and I love it. At first, you might be a little intimidated. It's technology, it's something new, but stick with me because once you make your very first invite, you're on easy street because all you're going to do is go in and fix it, right? Every time you have a new hostess and it takes seconds, okay? So stick with me and I'm going to show you how to do that and it's going to be awesome. You're going to love it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to share my screen and you are going to go with me to Canva. Okay, now I love canva.com. You want to create a sign-in so that all of the things that you make will still be there. Okay, so I have all these wonderful little things that I make for Instagram or Facebook, but let's look at invites because that's really where you need to focus right away, being able to make invites. Don't worry about anything else, just invites. Now I love making invites because I can take a quick little screenshot of this and I can shoot that in a text message to my hostess. I can post it in her Facebook event. So easy. All right, so this is the one that I'm currently working with. There's lots of other different ones that I just make multiples. So once you have your invite made, okay, all you have to do is click this little copy this page button and boom, you have another identical one. So then you can edit this. So before I teach you how to create it, I want to show you why you want to do this because it's so easy to edit. So let's learn about editing first, and then I'll show you how to actually create it, get the images, change the fonts, all those fun things. So first of all, I have this created. This is just a picture right here that I got from Premiere. And this is just adding text, 2 different text boxes so that I can have 2 different fonts. It's fun to have 2 different fonts. I then underneath have the date of the invite and the address. And then I always just put that they get extra tickets if they RSVP. And then we're gonna have a fun prize at the show. We wanna make sure that they know how to shop. Now I actually paid for a Google domain. It costs $12. And it's shopwithjuliedavid.com. And I'm going to create a separate video. I think I actually already have one on this. So maybe I'll show you this at the end, how you can create this Google domain. But all you want to do is go to Premiere's website and create your event, and they're going to give you a link. And you can just copy that link right here so that they can type it in. And then text that link, that live link to your hostess so she can text it out and post that in your Facebook event. So people can utilize that live link quite easily as well. I like to put the information about who I am at the bottom so that they can contact me with any questions. That's pretty rare, but it's still nice, and I put a little picture of myself. Okay, so let me show you as I scroll up here how easy it is. So I'm just gonna click this little text box and I highlight that and I can change it to, this is Susie's show. Now, when I have my hostess, when she books a show, I have her fill out my little hostess paper. So I pull that out of my notebook. I always have, look at how messy it is right now, but I have a little notebook. And that way I have all the information I need right there to make this invite all together. So I change the date, I change her address, I just highlight here, type whatever her new address is, change her name right here, her phone number, put in her name here, her new event link, and I'm done. So I don't have to recreate the wheel. So easy. So once you have an invite, and then they're all still there. See, I can go back and look at all my invites because they're all here. I can just keep making copies of these invites. So I have everybody's information handy. Now, I have a Mac, so all I do is I hit Command, Shift, and 4. If you have a regular computer, you need to figure out how you make screenshots, but I just highlight this, right? And I take a little screenshot, and that goes onto my desktop. And so then I just go and text my hostess her little invite so she can start spreading the word. So let's go and start the process from beginning. So we go to Canva, and you have all sorts of different things that you can pick to create sizes and stuff. So I just use the invitation. You can mess around with whatever size you want to do. And so it's blank. Now we're gonna go, we wanna start with a picture. So we go to uploads. So you just click this upload your own images and you can find fun things that you have saved wherever, maybe in your download folder, and you just click it and bring it up. It'll come right up. So for instance, here's a splendid watch I stole from, on the catalog online. So say you wanted to do that, you could use something like that. I found, so like this is a cute picture. All right, so let's say we want to put this as our header on our invite. So that's super cute. Now you might say, maybe I want a couple pictures. And so you could go, let me just show you what to do. Go to Premier Designs and log in. You can take screenshots too. I take lots of screenshots. But if you want to see how to download from Premiere, you go into the media gallery and see all these cute pictures. So that's the one right there. Let's say we want to add, I love this one, it's so cute. You click on it and you hit download. Now let's say I want some jewelry. What I love about downloading the jewelry is that it has no background. So let's say, hey, this is what I'm wearing right here, Dream Builder in silver. So we're gonna click that and we'll hit download. Now it shows up at the bottom of my screen, but it's also going into my download folder. So let's go back to where we were. Here we are. We hit upload images. I go to downloads, there they are. And look, here's this cute little one over here for any of these things that you might want, the gems and stuff. We're gonna open that up and poof, they're there. Now, this is what I love. They stay there. So if you guys have ever found a really cool image and then you lose it, I do that all the time. Look, all these things that I've uploaded in the last few months of things that I've made, team members, recognition, jewelry, it's all in here. Okay, so notice how it doesn't have any background. If I just drag this over, it has no background. So I could put this right over her. I can put this anywhere I want. It's pretty cool. Okay, so you can have fun creating your invite however you want it. So I just click that, and I'm gonna put her here, and maybe I'll put her up a little bit, and maybe I want to put something like this in there, in the middle. I can do that. So I can just have fun creating whatever I want. Now, maybe you're like me and you like backgrounds and things like that. So you can go to Elements and Shapes and click maybe just a square, and it's always pink, I don't know why. You can make it whatever color you want, maybe gray. And we're gonna go like this and make it super big. And now we're gonna click it and hit arrange and make it back, back, back. Okay, so now it's behind there. So now I can pull this up, maybe make it a little bigger. And I have sort of a banner feel to it. Isn't that cool? Love it. Okay, so she needs to go over a little more. Okay, super cute, right? Okay, and then you can add text. So I'm gonna just say, you click that, highlight it, you are let's make that capitalized, invited. Okay, now maybe you don't like that font. You just highlight it. Right here's the font. And you can scroll down and find whichever one that you like. Whatever you think is cute. I have some that I love. Okay, so you're gonna change the font. You are invited. And then you might say, can't really see that well. You can mess with the color. Say I want it to be pink. Okay, so you are invited. And then maybe do a smaller one underneath to Julie's style event. You can say whatever you want. And I'm gonna highlight that. I'm gonna change the font. to something else, like a second font, just to kind of be fun. See what we like. Ooh, that looks like a typewriter. Yuck! So you find one, whatever, just have fun with it. And then maybe change the color. I really don't like that. So I am going to make it pink. And some that I like, but I can never remember what they're called. So you're just gonna have to play with it. Okay, then you want to just add some more text and say Thursday, October, well, let's say August 15th, I don't know if that's correct, at 7 p.m. And then my address, her address. And then city, state, because they need that to GPS. And then I'm gonna do another one, and maybe for fun, see how I can just click this and move it down? I would change the color or maybe change the font. It's good to have 2 colors and 2 fonts, but that's it. And so here will be whatever I want to say. RSVP for 5 extra tickets for our prize. Okay, whatever you want to say. And then you want to put her website, make that a little bigger, but they can shop there, and you get the idea that you're just going to build this. And then you could add a little picture of yourself or maybe some jewelry down here. You can have fun building whatever you want. If you're giving away an It Girl bracelet, you could put that on there. We just bring that over and we can add that so you can have some fun. Once you have it all set, you just hit this little guy. There it is again. And you just highlight and change it. So it's really, really simple. Now, what was I going to tell you about? Oh, I'll show you one other thing. How about banners? Leave. This is my Facebook banner, and once I create it, I just change the name and I take a screenshot. So some different banners that I've had before and gift cards. So I just use this banner area, but these are Facebook banners that I've had, different pictures. And so I just come and I change her name and I steal this and I put it as my Facebook banner. So I kind of know what size I need, and I take a screenshot. Boom. And then that is on my desktop, and I just steal it and put it into Facebook. So if we're back at the invites, there was something else I was going to show you. Oh, I know. Let's go and look at making an event. So if we go to creating an event, let's look at past ones because this one was mine. Oh, I can't look at it because it's already closed. Okay, so let's just create a new one. So you give the event a name, and I call it usually my name, David. And let's say the date is on the 10th. And location name, I just put my name again. Nobody's seeing this but you. You can add an address, and it will find you. It does that finder. So you just find it. It's you, okay? Then we want that. I always go back a few days for it to start showing, and then I always go a few days longer. So if the show's on the 10th, I'll say, oh, well, let's make it go to there. Even though I'm going to close it before then, I don't want it to accidentally stop showing. I'm going to make me the hostess, and then same as event location. Save event. It's pretty cool. It's pretty easy. And then once it's all set, we're going to go right there, open it up again, and we can snag this link. So when we're making our invite, if you're not using the Google, which I will show you guys, okay? If you're not using the Google, then you might highlight this and hit paste. Oh, that's way too big, right? So we can just make that much, much smaller. And I guess even smaller. And then we'll stretch that out. And maybe we can make it bigger now. Let's see how big we can get it. It's a lot of numbers. That's why I use the Google. Okay, so I'll show you that next. But that way they can at least type that in, and then you're just gonna snag that and text that to your hostess and put that on your Facebook event. Okay, so I will show you how to make the Google. Just in case you're interested, we'll do it all. So you go to www, oops, oh, we can do that one. Let's go to www.googledomains.com. And this is where you can search to find a domain. So you can see if maybe your name is Sally. So let's see if shop with Sally D is available. Okay, so you just kind of see if that's available. And if it is, and it is for $12, but now you're like, ooh, I just wonder if Sally's available. Let's just see, is anybody shopping with Sally? Shop with Sally is available. If your name is Sally, you are in luck. Maybe you want it to be Style with Sally, okay? Oh, Style with Sally is not available. Do not get a net or an org. Nobody will know that. So we really want to buy the shop. If you look it up and it's available, I suggest buying it right when you do it, because if they know you want it, sometimes the price goes up. Because watch this. My name is not even available. Julie David. That is $800. Nobody's using it, but they know I want it, so it is now $800. JulieDavid.net I own, and so that is why that is not available, because it is mine. But anyway, moving on. I digress because I'm bitter. Okay, so we're going to go www.googledomains. And this time we're going to go manage my domains. Okay, so once you buy one, and I have shop, these are all some of the different ones I have, shop with Julie David, it'll be listed here. And all you have to do is configure the website. And when you set it up the first time, they're going to ask you. And so you just go to your, so see right here, it says premierdesigns.com/Julie David. So right there, it's already set up. So I'm going to go back and just put that in. So if I wanted to change it, I could. But once it's set up, you click this puppy right here, DNS. I don't know what anything means. I just know what to do. And I scroll down and check this out, guys. Do you see all of these? These are all events that I have. They're all right here. So there's Jeanette's, this one's Heather's, this one's Gina's, this one's Ellen's, Brittany. Everybody gets one, so it's so easy. So all I do is right when you hit that thing, you come down here, it says synthetic records, subdomain forward. I put in www. The hostess's name, so Julie, .shopwithjuliedavid.com, and then I paste that long event address and I hit add. Give it a couple minutes to establish itself, okay? But in a couple minutes, when you type in, well, it'll be gone, but Julie David, or you type in www.shopwithjuliedavid.com, the link for, let's just try it. It might not be ready yet. Let's try another one. Let's just go one that I know is still up. Oops, congratulations, fabulous. I'm some sort of, okay, so we're gonna go www.gina.shopwithjuliedavid.com. And it's so easy to remember, right? So you just go, oh, my hostess's name, Shop with Julie David, or whatever your website that you bought for $12 for a year is. And then when you put that in, it reroutes you to that website. So we are now here, and if we shop, we go to the, like we're gonna check out. I always have stuff in my bag. If we check out and we scroll down, there is Gina, the hostess. So it goes directly to her, and I don't have to worry I know they're going to shop right on her event. So I hope that that helps you with Canva. You can have a lot of fun just looking at all these designs, things that you can create. These are other invites that I've done, things that I've put on Facebook, telling people, coupons, all sorts of fun things, recognition for your team. I love my Battle of the Blings. You've seen these. And the cool thing is that you just can keep copying it and make more. So I just made one and then kept adding different jewelry for the Battle of the Bling. That just got stuck in there. This was one I was playing around with. So all that stuff. You can see how cute these are. You just take screenshots. You can download these. Oh, I know what else I need to show you. This is fun. Let's go back to the invites. One that is for real. Here, this one. Okay, you can hit download. Okay, so you're there, and then we hit download. PDF. You can change it and download a JPEG, but we're gonna download a PDF, okay? So download it. You're gonna love this. So once you have the PDF, you don't even have to take this picture and put it into a document in order to print it. So it's just computing it. It's gonna go right into my download file on my computer so I can find it. Give it a second. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it up in PDF preview, mark 2 on a page, and print it. So right here, I'm gonna hit print. And if your printer comes up that you can do more than one on a page, you're good. For me, I have to open in PDF and then hit print. So it's kind of like a 2-step process, but it's so worth it. Now, I'm gonna put 2 on a page. And then I just hit print. And I can give those to my hostess if she wants to have some to hand out. Isn't that sweet? I just slice them down the middle. So I do love that. I don't even have to, and it's a much better quality picture that prints than if you take a JPEG and you stretch it out into a Word document. So I love that. So I hope that this has helped you guys to make your invites, and you can see how easy it is to use canva.com. I love it. Consider even getting your own domain. Once you get your own domain, you can even create an email from it. So julie@shopwithjuliedavid.com. And you don't have to build a website or anything. You're just rerouting your Premier website using that link. So it's easy to remember. So something you can consider, but I think definitely consider doing canva.com. It's so easy to download your different, I should probably stop sharing my screen. I don't even know where I'm at. So it's really easy. I hope you consider it and enjoy. I hope this video helped you. Okay.